know, it's a beautiful day in Puglia, Italy, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm hungry. What do you say we go in and we make some lemon orzo feta pasta salad? Man, that sounds good. Come on, let's go in the kitchen. Guys, not to confuse you, often we're upstairs in the kitchen, the cucina upstairs. Today we're on the piano. We're on the first floor of the house, of the villa in the kitchen. And this is the kitchen we'll use in the summer because it's just easy to go in and outside. Come on inside. Let's make some pasta. First thing you need to do, get some water boiling, season it up with some salt, and we're going to cook orzo. So we want that bubbling really hot. That's beautiful. Get that water real salty. Probably a tablespoon of salt in there. Give it a stir. Water's boiling. We're ready to go. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and notification bell. It always makes it come out better. All right, what do you say? Let's start cooking our orzo. We want a half of a pound, 8 ounces, about 250 grams of orzo, which is an Italian pasta. It actually means barley. It looks like barley, okay? And we're going to add that to our boiling water. Add 8 ounces of orzo right to your boiling water. There you go. Quick stir. Make sure it doesn't stick together. We're looking for al dente, so we're looking for about 5 to 7 minutes. Al dente means to the tooth, so you want it to be a little bit of a bite to it. You want it to have some body to it. In 5 minutes, we're pretty much there. You can tell when you look at the orzo, you see how it's starting to become translucent, and then you can see a little bit of solid color through it, so you know you're pretty much right where you want to be. Strain your water. You're going to want a little pasta water in there. So that's plenty right there. That's perfect. This gets real easy, guys. We're going to use one bowl to make everything. So don't worry about that pasta water. Leave it right in there. We're going to add 1/4 of a cup of extra virgin Italian olive oil. So really good quality olive oil. Pepper, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Salt, we're going to add about 1/4 of a teaspoon, maybe 1/3 of a teaspoon. Now we're going to get more fun, right? Dijon mustard, we're going to put 2 tablespoons in there. The zest of a whole lemon. That's really where your flavor comes from, is your zest. Next, you're going to want the juice of half of a lemon, about 2 tablespoons-ish. Next, we're going to add some garlic, so give it a little whack. We're looking for is make this as small as you can. So it's real simple. Take some really small, thin slices. As soon as you get the garlic done, then give it a mush. So take your knife and really give it a mush. That's beautiful. That's exactly what I want. And then we're going to go ahead and add that garlic. Next, guys, we've got some feta, about 8 ounces of feta. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to crumble it. I don't like it cubed. I like it to mix in there. And we're going to hold back a little bit for the top presentation. So give it a kind of a chop and a mush and crumble it as best as you can. Put about 3/4 of your feta in. We want to save a little bit for the top. Last, guys, we're going to take some parsley. I like parsley. It's a little bit more peppery. It's got a citrus backdrop to it, which is just great. It's got that herby flavor. Parsley is one of my favorites when it comes to herbs. And it's not too aromatic, where like sometimes rosemary or basil, which is so delicious, sometimes that'll overpower your dish. Parsley won't do that, but it'll add a lot of punch and flavor. I'm going to give this a chop. I'm going to hold back a few flakes. The rest I'm going to put in my pasta. And now I'm going to give it a stir. See that extra pasta water absorbed, which is great. That's going to create a little bit of a cream sauce with the feta. And now for presentation, guys, I'm going to go ahead and put my feta on top, my remaining little crumbles, and a little bit of my parsley. Boy, does that look delicious or what? All right, let's take some pictures and favorite time, taste time. Almost hate to mess that up. All right, that's beautiful right there. Now, I could taste this in the kitchen, but why would I taste it in the kitchen? With a beautiful day like this, we're under the vines. It is just gorgeous. First thing it takes you is the aroma. You get that lemon, the cheese, the olive oil, a little bit of the garlic, just a hint. Oh, it's so good. And a little bit of the feta. It's hot. Pasta's perfect. The lemon, the feta, the parsley, a little bit of the garlic. The seasoning is just right. The olive oil, the feta just kills it. You get a little bit of the feta in the beginning, but it just builds as you taste it. And it goes so good with the lemon. And the parsley's got that citrus peppery to it. You guys ready for this? Go ahead. Go ahead. I wish I could do it for you. Get a little bit of that cream from the pasta water, the olive oil, and the feta. I'm thinking a little Frank Sinatra, maybe Jerry Vale if you got it in you. That's what I'm thinking. And, you know, a little Prosecco. Maybe a little bit of toasted bread on the side. That's what I'm thinking. Guys, thanks so much for joining me in Puglia, Italy to make something just delicious, right? Orzo pasta with lemon and feta. Man, that's good. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, like, share, follow, all those phenomenal things that you need to do on social media to help grow our channel. And last but not least, guys, and I always like to end my videos with this tip, you know, once a week, once a month, get around the table with your family and friends. You know, share your stories with them. Shut off the computer, shut off the telephone, shut off the TV. Get to know your family. Life goes by so quick. And I'll tell you what you do. You'll celebrate your heritage, whatever that might be. But even more important than that, you're going to set traditions of love. They're going to last your lifetime. I know they did for me. Hey, guys, from my kitchen years, until next week, mwah, bon appetito.